In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your fuel filler neck, which is the pipe that leads the fuel from right here at the gas cap to inside your tank. Let's get started. To disconnect the filler neck, you'll see that there are two pipes leading to it, a larger one and a smaller one. So I'm going to get an 8mm socket, loosen up this clamp. With it broken free, I'm going to try and pull that hose off. Let's move the clamp out of the way. To break the hose free, you can grab a pair of pliers and just very gently twist it. If that doesn't work, we'll have to get a pick in there. There we go. And that just broke free. And there's one. Now let's disconnect the main filler neck here. Loosen up the clamp. Slide it out of the way. I'm going to try the same trick here to break the hose free. Okay, now let's separate the two. Okay, there we go. Remove the old gas cap. Take a 7mm socket and remove all three of the mounting screws for this filler neck. Okay, watch out, because at this point it's going to want to fall out the other side. There it is. Comes out the bottom. Take your new filler neck, slide it in from underneath. I have a screw ready so that I can attach it as soon as it gets here. Sometimes you might need a second person to help you, but at this point you can start the screws into the new filler neck. You'll have to press in so that the screws can cut through the metal. Once it starts, it'll go in a lot easier. And once you have one in, it won't fall out. So you can get this one nice and close and then you can spin it. As you can see, it has a little bit of an adjustment. So I'm going to get this one close right there. And now it'll stay secured in here and you can twist it. With the filler neck not completely bolted, this is the best time to put the hoses on because they'll slide in a lot easier. There we go. Get the hose clamp situated. Make sure the hoses are bottomed out. Okay, nice and snug. Okay, let's go finish bolting up the filler neck. Get the other two screws started. And with all three started, center this up as much as you can so that it looks good and tighten it down. Take your new fuel cap, attach it in here, and tighten it on to the filler neck. And there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.